Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just discuss section 1.2, slopes of lines. And so now this is just a review. So what I've done here is I have our x-axis and I have our y-axis. And I'm just going to place 2 points arbitrarily on this graph. And our slope is going to be how these 2 points move from each other. Okay? We're going to call this point x1, y1, and this point right here is going to be x2, y2. And if you look at this graph, in order to get this distance, I'm going to have to subtract my x's. And in order to get this distance right here, I'm going to have to subtract my y's. And that's going to tell me my rise and my run. And this is what's going to give us slope. So slope, which we use m as the variable, is going to equal the change in y over the change in x. And change, we mean subtraction. Okay? And so sometimes you'll see this little triangle, which also means change. And we have our slope formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And that's how we can find slope. So if I gave you 2 points, and I said, given the point 0, 4 and 3, 1, find the slope between these 2 points. So slope, and we'll call this guy x2, y2, and this guy x1, y1. And we're going to take the change in y all over the change in x. And notice right here, these guys were the 2's, these guys were the 1's, and they're paired up. So I have negative 3 over 3, which is equal to negative over 1. So that means my rise and my run is negative 1 over 1. So the slope is negative 1.